You have been lied to your entire life. Every vocabulary list and grammar rule you painfully memorized was actually building an invisible prison inside your mind, designed to keep you completely silent. Today, I am handing you the exact key to finally break out. I have a painful truth to share with you today, and it might actually make you a little angry. For the past 10, maybe even 15 years, you have been lied to. You have spent countless hours sitting in stuffy classrooms, staring at thick grammar books, and forcing yourself to memorize endless lists of vocabulary until your eyes burned. And yet, after all that time, what happens when someone simply walks up to you and says hello? Your heart suddenly races, your throat completely tightens, and your mind goes entirely blank. You find yourself trapped in a silent, invisible prison inside your own head, frantically translating word by word from Vietnamese to English, terrified of making a mistake. It is a suffocating feeling, and I know exactly how much it hurts to have so much to say, but no voice to say it. But I need you to listen to me carefully. It is not your fault. You are not slow, and your memory is not broken. The traditional education system set you up to fail. It programmed you to treat English as a stressful subject to pass, rather than a beautiful tool to connect with the world. Today, we are going to destroy that old, toxic mindset forever. Welcome back to Glaze English. I am so glad you are here with me. Before I reveal the exact 6-month blueprint that will completely rewire your brain and finally pull you out of this trap, please take a quick second to hit that subscribe button. Your support is the true heartbeat of this channel, and it gives me the massive motivation I need to keep creating these deep, transformative videos for you. Now, let us talk about the paradigm shift you desperately need. If you want to break free, you have to completely stop studying English. Think about a child learning their mother tongue. They do not stress over verb tenses. They do not carry around flashcards. They just live inside the language. They absorb sounds, emotions, and situations naturally. That is exactly what we are going to replicate. We are shifting away from a forced academic chore to a living, breathing, daily experience. The golden rule you must lock into your mind right now is this: true fluency is built through real-life context and purposeful repetition, never through blind, robotic memorization. If you can give me your absolute trust and commitment for the next 180 days, I promise your entire reality will shift. You will no longer translate. You will just naturally speak. Are you ready to claim your voice? Let us begin. To actually make that shift from studying to living the language, we have to completely change the fuel we feed our minds. I want you to think of your brain as a dry sponge. For years, you have been trying to squeeze water out of it before even letting it soak anything up. That is why speaking feels so painful. The secret engine to true fluency is not about forcing words out. It is about pouring a massive ocean of high-quality English in. We call this input, but not just any input. You cannot just turn on a random news channel, hear fast noise, and expect a miracle. You need comprehensible input. This means finding videos, stories, or podcasts where you already understand about 70 to 80% of what is happening. When you do this, a beautiful thing happens in your mind. It stops panicking. It relaxes and naturally fills in the missing gaps using context, just like you did when you were a little kid. But you might be thinking, how can I surround myself with English if I do not live in an English-speaking country? I used to use that exact same excuse to hide my own fear. The truth is, your real environment is not your physical city anymore. It is the screen in your hand. You need to ruthlessly transform your digital world. Right after this video, I want you to change the language on your phone, your laptop, and all your social media apps to English. When you search for a recipe or a tutorial, type it in English. Make it so that you literally cannot escape the language. And here is the most powerful habit you will ever build: reclaiming your dead time. You do not need 3 free hours a day to sit at a desk. You just need to steal back those lost moments. When you are washing the dishes, riding the bus, or waiting in line, put your headphones on. Let an English voice play in your ears. Do not stress about translating every single word. Just let the melody, the rhythm, and the emotion of the language wash over you. When you feed your brain enough of the right input, the words will finally flow out naturally. Once you have flooded your mind with that beautiful ocean of input, you face the next great challenge: waking up the physical muscles sleeping inside your mouth. Speaking a new language is not just a mental memory test. It is an intensely physical experience. For your entire life, your lips, jaw, and tongue have been perfectly trained to move to the rhythm of Vietnamese. They feel safe and comfortable there. Now, you are asking them to dance to a completely different beat, and naturally, they will resist. This is where your output system begins, and it is time to take those muscles to the gym. The absolute best weapon you have for this physical training is the shadowing technique. I remember when I first tried this, I felt a little ridiculous, but it changed everything for me. You do not just passively listen to a native speaker, you become their shadow. Find a short video, maybe just 1 minute long, of someone whose voice and energy you truly admire. Play a sentence, pause it, and repeat it out loud. Here is the deep secret. Do not just read the text. Steal their exact emotion, copy where they pause to breathe, and mimic the natural rise and fall of their pitch. You are literally copying the soul of their sentence. In the beginning, your tongue will feel heavy and your mouth will feel clumsy. Do not give up. That awkward, uncomfortable feeling is exactly what growth feels like. It proves your physical muscles are finally stretching and forming brand new habits. Along with shadowing, you must unlock the quiet magic of talking to yourself. Narrate your own life when no one else is around. When you are taking a shower or walking down a quiet street, describe what you see or talk about your day in English. Because you are alone, the heavy fear of judgment completely disappears. If you suddenly forget a specific word, do not panic and do not immediately grab a dictionary. Force your brain to take the long way around. Use the simple words you already know to describe that missing idea. This brave struggle to explain yourself without a dictionary is not a weakness. It is the ultimate survival skill that will make you truly fluent and unstoppable in the real world. As you build that physical confidence speaking to yourself, you are finally ready to conquer the ultimate invisible barrier, the heavy chains of mental translation. This is the absolute dividing line between a permanent student and a true master of the language. As long as you secretly cling to the safe habit of thinking in Vietnamese, analyzing the grammar rules, and then nervously building an English sentence in your head, you will always be one painful step behind in every conversation. That internal translation process drains your mental energy and completely kills the natural, beautiful flow of human connection. So, how do we shatter this old habit? It begins with the simplest action in your daily life: labeling your real, physical world directly in English. When you pick up a set of keys, do not let the Vietnamese word pop into your mind first. Look straight at the cold metal in your hand and force the sound key to echo instantly in your thoughts. Start small with the basic objects sitting on your desk, and slowly expand to the complex actions you take every single day. But to truly make English a part of your soul, you need a powerful psychological strategy I call vocabulary visualization. When you encounter a strong word like exhausted, do not just write down the translation in a notebook. Close your eyes. I want you to vividly remember the heavy feeling in your legs when you finally step off the loud factory floor after a brutal 14-hour shift. Remember the heat on your skin, the deep ache in your muscles as you travel home, wanting nothing more than to just see your family and collapse into bed. Tie the word exhausted directly to that raw physical memory. Anchor the English sound to your own human experience. The next time you feel that bone-deep tiredness, your brain will automatically fire off the word exhausted without ever needing to stop at a Vietnamese checkpoint. Thinking directly in a new language is not a sudden miracle that happens overnight. It is the quiet, daily discipline of forcing your mind to build brand new roads. Even with all these powerful new roads built in your mind, every single technique will completely fail if you do not protect your journey with an unbreakable mindset. Learning a language is never about a sudden burst of motivation that lasts for 3 days and then fades away. It is about quiet, steady discipline. I need to be completely honest with you about the dark days ahead. During this journey, you are going to hit a cold, hard wall. We call it the plateau. There will be weeks where you feel like you are not making any progress at all. There will be nights when you are studying after a long, exhausting day, maybe looking over at your sleeping children, wondering if this massive mental effort is even worth it. This is exactly the moment where 90% of people simply give up and walk away. But you have to understand that this feeling of being stuck is just an illusion. Beneath the surface, your brain is quietly organizing a massive network of new sounds and meanings. You must remember that simple consistency will always destroy short bursts of intensity. Showing up for just 30 minutes every single day is 1,000 times more powerful than forcing yourself to study for 5 hours on a Sunday. So, this is my final challenge to you: the 6-month Immersion Blueprint. It does not start next week or next month. It begins the moment you wake up tomorrow. I want you to completely change your digital world, become a shadow to native speakers, and force yourself to name the objects around you directly in English. Do not wait for the perfect moment or the perfect grammar to finally open your mouth. Your mistakes are just proof that you are bravely trying. 6 months from now, the time will pass anyway. You can either wake up in the exact same place, still feeling trapped and frustrated, or you can wake up as a completely transformed person. You could be ready to step onto a plane, secure that dream job overseas, and build a beautiful, secure future for your family. The choice is entirely yours. Take action today, trust the process, and I cannot wait to see the incredible person you become at the finish line. Looking back at everything we have shared today, the path to true fluency is beautifully simple, though it requires genuine courage. We started by tearing down the toxic mindset of the old school system that forced you to memorize rules and fear making mistakes. We replaced that fear with an ocean of comprehensible input, transforming your phone and your daily routine into a living English environment. We learned how to wake up your physical speaking muscles by becoming a shadow of native speakers and bravely talking to yourself during the quiet moments of your day. We shattered the heavy chains of mental translation by attaching English words directly to your raw, physical feelings and the real objects you touch. And above all, we forged an unbreakable mindset, accepting that true progress happens through quiet, daily consistency rather than exhausted weekends of cramming. The deepest lesson I have learned from this journey is that mastering a language is exactly like planting a tree in a quiet garden. You water the soil every single morning, and for a very long time, you see absolutely nothing. It is incredibly tempting to just walk away and give up. But beneath the surface, strong roots are pushing deep into the earth, building a massive, invisible foundation. When the green leaves finally break through, the growth is unstoppable. You can apply this to your life right now by simply trusting your own invisible growth. Do not measure your success by how perfectly you speak today. Measure it by whether you showed up to water your mind. Just take 10 minutes tomorrow to listen to one short audio clip while you get ready for work. That is your water. Before we say goodbye, I have a very simple question for you, and I would love for you to share your thoughts in the comments below so our entire community can learn from each other. What is the very first small English habit you are going to start doing tomorrow? Please drop your answer down below, and if you found real value in our story today, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support is what gives me the motivation to keep creating these deep, helpful videos for Glaze English. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next one.